How to change unit in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva. You'll find resize option on top beside file, but it is paid version. So simply click on three lines on top left, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up in custom size. Click on custom size and you'll find units. You can make any units you want. I'll simply click on inches and then add width. You'll find suggested options as well. Then add your height. After you have added height, simply click on create new design and you'll find new changed units pop up in Canva. That's how to change units in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.